I just thought I'd finish this off and show you how to connect 7 panels to the same configuration. You can do it, all right? You can just do it on this system with the same regulator, the same switch. This is how you do it, right? So this is our setup we've already got. This is our isolated switch. We've got 24 volts, 6 amps coming in there from this. This is the panel, and this is what it will draw through to our regulator. You got 24 volts, 6 amps there, 24 volts, 6 amps here. And these 2 panels are connected in series. These are the other 4 to make up the 7. So combined, they're 290 watts, which is 67 volts at 433 amps, right? But they'll be cut down to 24 volts and 12 amps for that both, because they'll be in series. Because they have to match the voltage coming in for the parallel, they'll get cut down to 24 volts coming off there. That'll get reduced, so the amps will go up, the 24 volts will go down. And then here, the same side, the same thing, it will go down to 24 volts combined, but the amps will go up to 12 amps. So it'll effectively double the amps that we had, but the voltage will stay the same because there's 2 panels. But you think, all right, so that all adds up to, in parallel then, 24 volts, because there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the amps will be 6, 6, 6, plus 12 and 12. So that'll be 42 amps. So that'll be too much, because one, your controller is only 20 amp. It will go up to 30 safely, but it's 20. And this is only rated for 30, 32 or something, 40, 32 or 40 amps. So how does it work? Well, what happens is in this configuration, when it draws the current, this here will only allow up to 30 amps. So these 12s will get cut down to 6s to match. So this will end up 30 amps anyway. So it will match that, it will match this. You'll have your system that will work. You can try it. It won't mix different numbers. It'll go down to the lower number, and you might lose a bit of energy, but it'll still work, you know. And that's at full tilt. That's at full wattage, and it's likely you won't get exactly that full amount. But yeah, the regulators in the battery, this thing here, it won't allow that much. It'll cut it back to 30 amps and 24 volts, the system. And this here will probably run at 30 amps, but any more it'll cut off, and it can shape it down to 20 amps if it needs to protect its circuits.